All right, so today, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're having some fun at Trader's Village. I never heard of this place. Noah turned me on to it. This place is huge. Trader's Village, Arlington, Texas. This place spans from as far as I can see here, all the way past the roller coaster down there. Trader's Village. I've never been to a flea market that is represented like this. They have so much stuff. Furniture, groceries, even an amusement park at Trader's Village, okay? They say they do everything big in Texas. Well, that ain't no lie. It's so much stuff here. I'm blown away. And all I have is a suitcase. So it's not like I can buy much of this stuff and bring it home with me. But I'm blown away. You could spend all day at the Trader's Market. This is not like the old school flea market. This is like the new and improved flea market. You can have fun. The kids can have fun while you're doing your shopping. You looking for some tennis shoes? You might be able to find them here. Okay, so you in Texas, you know you can't go home without trying on some cowboy boots, right? Okay, so let's flip this around so you can see what kind of cowboy boots they have, if they worth buying, or at least worth looking at. Okay, so Noah says he's getting cold, but I said I could be here all day. Bella, you and I, we would have a ball here. Let me tell you, you could thrift till you drop here. It's so much stuff. This section over here, because it's a bunch of places to eat. You telling me the proper way? What? Oh, the cowhide stuff?
The sign.
Where is it? Oh, the bunnies for sale?
You saw them in the bed like, look what's right behind.
Oh, okay. This was he was trying to show me. Where is it? Bunnies for sale. Bunnies are for sale. I didn't know. I thought Noah was trying to have me go to the cowhide because I like these too, which I have one. Noah wearing my coat so he can stay warm. Okay, should we get on? Should Noah not get on that ride? What do you think? So cold, he just want to go somewhere and get warm. But doesn't that look fun? You could spend the whole day here at Trader's Village. It's a low-key kind of day, not too much going on. We have a lot of other things that we want to do while I'm here. But for right now, hanging out, spending the morning here at Trader's Village, it was fun. I enjoyed myself. Didn't buy anything because I can't really take too much home. But if I lived here, I definitely saw quite a few things I would want to get. Actually, I did say one or two things I can squeeze into my suitcase, so I might come back and pick those things up. No, it's cold, and I'm hungry. So let's head to Slow Bones so we could try some Texas barbecue. Y'all, they told us that these 2 ribs is a ½ pound. They smoking more than this meat.
That's a slapper.
This is the smoked chicken. That's good. If you know me, you know I'm not going to waste a trip to Texas and not have my cake bar. Look what I found. I found a cake bar. All right, we almost got all the Cake Bar never lets me down. This caramel cake was absolutely divine. I'm not sure if you've ever tried them before. I know they're in the Dallas area. If you haven't tried them, give them a try. Their cakes are the bomb. And you guys know how much I love desserts, so that's a well-earned compliment. It's time for me to eat my dessert. Thank you so much for hanging out with me on this episode. See you in the next video.